Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the BEAUTYPEAK Asymmetrical Mirror, a unique 24 by 32 inch wall mirror with an irregular shape that instantly captures attention. This mirror features a thin wood frame that adds a classic touch and suits any room decor. Crafted from high-quality float glass, it delivers a super HD, undistorted reflection perfect for your living room, bedroom, or hallway. The edges are safety ground through 16 processes, ensuring a smooth, scratch-free finish. Installation is simple, as the mirror can either lean against a wall or be mounted using the pre-perforated back and included screws. This decorative piece not only enhances your space, but also adds an artistic flair to your home environment. For any issues, 24/7 customer support is available to help with damaged items quickly and hassle-free. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.